Hello, fellow travelers and railway enthusiasts. Welcome back. Today, we're embarking on a journey through Scotland's breathtaking countryside as we explore the iconic Jacobite Steam Train, famously known as the Hogwarts Express to Harry Potter fans. But hold on tight, because we're about to unveil some lesser-known facts about this historic locomotive. Let's hop on board. Our adventure begins on the Jacobite Steam Train, a remarkable railway journey that has captured the hearts of millions. But did you know that? Historical significance. The Jacobite Steam Train travels on the West Highland Line, often considered one of the most scenic railway lines in the world. It was originally constructed to connect Fort William and Mallaig and was completed in 1901. The line played a crucial role in Scotland's history, serving as a lifeline to remote communities. Movie stardom. This train achieved worldwide fame as it portrayed the Hogwarts Express in the Harry Potter films. Many scenes from the movies were filmed right here, showcasing the train's stunning route through the Scottish Highlands. Steam power. But what really makes the Jacobite Steam Train unique is its vintage steam locomotive, like the one right behind me. These locomotives, known as Black Fives, were designed for heavy passenger and freight service in the 1930s. Riding one is like stepping back in time. The Glenfinnan Viaduct. And here we are, at the iconic Glenfinnan Viaduct. It's not only a marvel of engineering but also an architectural masterpiece. The viaduct is 380 meters long and features 21 arches. It's no wonder this spot is a favorite among photographers and tourists. Record-breaking popularity. The Jacobite Steam Train has seen a surge in popularity over the years. In fact, it holds a Guinness World Record for the longest-running steam train service on a single route, operating since 1984. Truly impressive. Eco-friendly steam. One surprising fact is that the Jacobite Steam Train is quite eco-friendly. It uses a combination of coal and locally sourced wood pellets to reduce its carbon footprint, making it a greener option compared to traditional coal-fired trains. Wizarding connection. Fans of the Harry Potter series will be delighted to know that J.K. Rowling rode the Jacobite Steam Train while writing the early books in the series. The train's magical scenery may have even inspired some of her descriptions of the Hogwarts Express journey to Hogwarts School of Witchcraft and Wizardry. Steam train preservation. The locomotive used for the Jacobite Steam Train, number 5972, Olton Hall, is a real survivor. It was built in 1937 and has been meticulously maintained over the years, showcasing the dedication of steam train enthusiasts to preserving railway history. Thomas the Tank Engine. Believe it or not, the Jacobite Steam Train also made an appearance on the popular children's TV series, Thomas and Friends. It was the inspiration for the character, Donald, in the show, making it even more iconic for young and old fans alike. Traveling in style. While the exterior of the Jacobite Steam Train is iconic, its interiors are equally impressive. Some of the carriages date back to the 1950s and have been beautifully restored, providing passengers with a nostalgic and luxurious travel experience. Steam whistle traditions. Before departing from stations, the train's crew often performs a tradition called whistling down. The whistle is blown to clear the tracks and signal that the train is about to depart. It's a memorable part of the Jacobite experience. Queen Victoria's route. Queen Victoria, known for her love of the Scottish Highlands, traveled on a predecessor of the Jacobite route during her visits to Scotland in the 19th century. It's a reminder of the region's royal connections and timeless beauty. Outstanding views. While the train's fame is well-deserved, the scenery it passes through is equally stunning. The route takes you through rugged landscapes, along pristine lochs, and offers panoramic views of mountains, including the UK's highest peak, Ben Nevis. Limited seasonal operation. The Jacobite Steam Train operates seasonally, usually from April to late October. Catching it during this time is crucial if you want to experience this magical journey. Benevolent ghosts. Legend has it that the Jacobite Steam Train is haunted by friendly ghosts who protect the train and its passengers. While it may be a bit of folklore, it adds an intriguing layer of charm to the experience. Bridge to Hogwarts. The Glenfinnan Viaduct, which the Jacobite Steam Train crosses, is often referred to as the Bridge to Hogwarts due to its appearance in the Harry Potter films. In reality, it's an engineering marvel, standing at 100 feet tall and spanning 1,000 feet. The Great Glen Way. The Jacobite Steam Train route runs parallel to the Great Glen Way, a popular long-distance walking route. It's not uncommon to see hikers along the trail waving to the passing train. Award-winning scenery. The West Highland Line, which the Jacobite Steam Train traverses, has been recognized for its stunning scenery. It received the title of World's Best Railway Journey at the Wanderlust Travel Awards, a testament to its breathtaking landscapes. Time-tested reliability. The steam locomotives used for the Jacobite Steam Train are not only historic but also incredibly reliable. They've been in operation for decades, showcasing the enduring quality of steam power. Railway museums. Several railway museums, such as the West Highland Line Museum in Malag, are dedicated to preserving the history of the Jacobite route. They offer visitors a deeper understanding of the railway's impact on the region. Wild West Highland wildlife. As you ride the Jacobite Steam Train, keep an eye out for Scotland's diverse wildlife. You might spot red deer, golden eagles, and other creatures inhabiting the wild West Highland landscape. Steam train workshops. Behind the scenes, the Jacobite Steam Train has dedicated workshops where skilled technicians and volunteers work tirelessly to maintain and restore the locomotives, ensuring they continue to chug along for generations to come. Dining experiences. While riding the Jacobite Steam Train, you can savor traditional Scottish dishes and beverages in vintage dining cars. It's a delightful culinary journey to complement the breathtaking views. Locomotive history. Before being known as Olton Hall, the locomotive used for the Jacobite Steam Train had a rich history. It was built for the London, Midland, and Scottish Railway and served various roles before becoming an iconic part of this Scottish adventure. A year-round land of beauty. Though the Jacobite Steam Train operates seasonally, the Scottish Highlands offer year-round beauty. In winter, the snow-dusted landscapes create a magical atmosphere, making it a must-visit destination no matter the season. Royal connections. The Jacobite Steam Train has royal connections dating back to its inception. It was originally built to transport royalty, including Queen Victoria, as they explored the stunning Scottish Highlands. Iconic carriages. Some of the carriages on the Jacobite Steam Train are over a century old. They have been meticulously restored to their former glory, featuring intricate woodwork and plush furnishings, giving passengers a taste of luxury from a bygone era. Watering the beast. Steam locomotives require a significant amount of water to operate. At specific points along the route, the train stops to replenish its water supply, a fascinating process to witness. Harry Potter magic. Potterheads rejoice. On some Jacobite Steam Train rides, you'll find wizards and witches entertaining passengers, performing magic tricks, and sharing tales from the wizarding world, adding a touch of enchantment to the journey. RailwayWonders Express inspiration. The Jacobite Steam Train's resemblance to the Hogwarts Express is no coincidence. The author of the Harry Potter series, J.K. Rowling, was inspired by the real-world steam trains of Scotland, including the one we're riding today. The Silver Link. In 1984, the Jacobite Steam Train earned the nickname, the Silver Link, after a famous locomotive that once traveled the West Highland Line. It's a nod to the train's historical significance and its continued popularity. Fiery departure. Watch closely when the Jacobite Steam Train departs from the station. As the steam locomotive builds pressure, you'll see a dramatic burst of steam and hear the powerful hiss of the steam whistle, signaling the start of your adventure. The West Highland Extension. The West Highland Line, on which the Jacobite Steam Train operates, was originally built as an extension to the West Highland Railway, bringing rail access to the remote regions of Scotland and opening up opportunities for trade and travel. Charity efforts. The Jacobite Steam Train has been involved in various charity initiatives over the years. It often hosts charity events and fundraisers, using its iconic status to give back to the local community. Romantic railway proposals. The Jacobite Steam Train has witnessed its fair share of romantic moments. It's a popular spot for proposals, with couples often choosing the train's scenic route and vintage charm as the backdrop for their special moments. Conservation efforts. The Jacobite Steam Train operators are committed to environmental conservation. They actively work to preserve the natural beauty of the Scottish Highlands and educate passengers about the region's fragile ecosystem. Steam Train soundtrack. Passengers on the Jacobite Steam Train are treated to live music performances during their journey. Musicians often play traditional Scottish tunes, creating a captivating atmosphere on board. Highland hospitality. In addition to its picturesque views, the Jacobite Steam Train is known for its warm Highland hospitality. Passengers can enjoy traditional Scottish treats like shortbread and whiskey tastings while on board. Throughout its long history, the Jacobite Steam Train has been promoted through a series of vintage travel posters. These posters are now collector's items, showcasing the train's enduring allure. The Hogwarts Castle Connection. The Jacobite Steam Train's nameplate features the silhouette of a castle, which closely resembles Hogwarts Castle from the Harry Potter films. As we conclude our journey aboard the Jacobite Steam Train, I hope you've enjoyed these lesser-known facts about this beloved Scottish icon. It's not just a train. It's a piece of living history, a cinematic star, and a breathtaking way to experience Scotland's natural beauty. If you ever find yourself in the Scottish Highlands, be sure to hop on board and witness its magic firsthand. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share our video to keep the adventure going. Until next time, happy travels!